The Airtight PUR pre-melting system is an innovative adhesive system developed to melt pure adhesives safely and gently and deliver them directly to the workpiece. In addition to the melter, airtight heated hoses and application heads are required. All key parameters can be set via the 7-inch touch display. Operation is simple and intuitive. Once the system is ready, a signal light indicates it. The pre-melting system automatically feeds the adhesive until the correct level is reached in the glue pot. When the adhesive bag in the tank is empty, the signal light alerts the operator, who can then refill the adhesive calmly and safely. The airtight bags are cut to size and placed back into the tank. The cylinder is closed and the fresh adhesive is gently melted as needed. A reservoir ensures continuous adhesive supply to the glue pot during change. Airtight pre-melters can be used with almost any edge bender and are compatible with a wide range of accessories. The airtight system requires no additives such as nitrogen or dry air and offers easy installation, user-friendly handling and a modular, future-proof spare parts supply.